That's where we had our big presses that we mounted the rolls of paper onto, and they would reach from floor to ceiling, be from the width of this whole room. At the peak, they always knew somebody that worked at Donnelley. The plant hired a total of maybe around 1,800 employees during its peak. My dad started in the early 60s. He had a family farm we grew up on, so he'd go to work at 11 o'clock at night. He worked third shift and got off at 7. Then I'd get off from school, get home, and we would swap seats on the tractor. My first time in the plant was in 1975 after I graduated high school. I got a summer job between high school and college. After my last summer there, the engineering manager told me that if I wanted a job after I graduated college, I could start full-time there. Once they made catalogs and advertising, probably the major catalog was the J.C. Penney catalog. I believe we made 18 million catalogs. They always said that digital media started affecting the print counts, the number of catalogs we were putting out. Not sure what day it was, but I went down to get coffee or a drink from the cafeteria, and there was a meeting going on in the cafeteria, and some of the head of the company were in there. Some people were standing outside listening, and I just wondered what was the meeting about, and they said, well, they just announced they're closing the plant at Warsaw. Part of my job, once the plant shut down, was to get the equipment removed from here, so it was kind of sad to watch, something that you worked your career to keep running, and all of a sudden they're just tearing it apart into small pieces. But this place isn't done yet. Now Slate's going to begin production right here, in this old plant. It's a simple truck, and that means a simpler manufacturing process, one that fits a smaller footprint than normal auto plants. I heard through the company that we're estimating $39 billion in impact and around 2,000 new jobs. You can't make history without building on what came before. That's why we're building here. It's going to be great for the community, I think.